Did you know that the Infinix HOT 60i packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, which can last up to 2 days on a single charge? That's pretty impressive for a budget smartphone. The Infinix HOT 60i has been making waves in the budget smartphone market, and for good reason. It's designed to offer a lot of value for its price, making it a great option for those who don't want to break the bank. With its sleek design and promising specs, it's definitely worth checking out. This phone is all about providing a great experience without costing an arm and a leg. Infinix is a brand that's known for producing affordable smartphones with impressive specs. They've been around for a while, and they've built a reputation for delivering great value for money. The HOT 60i is their latest effort, and it's clear that they put a lot of thought into what budget-conscious buyers want. From its early days, Infinix has focused on making smartphones that are both affordable and capable. Their history leading up to the HOT 60i has been marked by a series of well-received devices, and this latest model continues that trend. By offering a device with a strong battery, good camera, and smooth performance, Infinix is sure to attract a lot of attention. Infinix's goal has always been to make technology accessible to everyone, and the HOT 60i is a big step in that direction. The Infinix HOT 60i comes with some pretty impressive specs, including a large 6.6-inch display that's perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. Its camera system features a 50MP main sensor, which should deliver some great shots. And with a 5000 mAh battery, you can expect it to last a long time. The phone also comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which should be more than enough for most users. Under the hood, the HOT 60i is powered by a capable processor that's designed to handle everyday tasks with ease. You can expect smooth performance whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming. The display is also quite bright, making it easy to use even in sunlight. One of the standout features of the HOT 60i is its battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can easily go 2 days without needing to recharge. This makes it perfect for heavy users or those who are always on the go. Infinix has really outdone themselves with the battery on this device. The camera on the HOT 60i is another highlight, with a 50MP main sensor that delivers great results. Infinix's camera software also offers a range of features like portrait mode and night mode, making it versatile. Whether you're taking photos of landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the HOT 60i has you covered. In terms of storage, the HOT 60i comes with 128GB of internal storage, which should be plenty for most users. And if you need more, you can easily expand it with a microSD card. The phone also supports dual SIM cards, making it convenient for those who need to manage multiple numbers. The HOT 60i runs on the latest version of Android, offering a clean and intuitive user interface. Infinix has also included some useful custom features that enhance the overall experience. For instance, the phone has a dedicated game mode that optimizes performance for gaming. This ensures that you get the best possible experience when playing your favorite games. Another important aspect is the phone's build quality. The HOT 60i feels solid in the hand, with a durable design that can withstand everyday wear and tear. The materials used are also high quality, giving it a premium feel despite being a budget device. When it comes to performance, the HOT 60i does not disappoint. The processor handles tasks efficiently, and the phone remains responsive even with multiple apps open. This makes it suitable for both casual users and those who need a device for more demanding tasks. The Infinix HOT 60i isn't the only budget smartphone on the market, of course. There are plenty of other options available, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. The Samsung Galaxy A series, for example, offers some great alternatives. The Redmi series from Xiaomi is another strong contender. Compared to these competitors, the HOT 60i stands out for its battery life and camera capabilities. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive devices, it offers a great balance of performance and affordability. For those on a tight budget, it's definitely worth considering. In my personal experience with the HOT 60i, I've found it to be a reliable companion for everyday use. The battery life has been impressive, and the camera has delivered some great shots. I've also appreciated the phone's responsiveness and the intuitive interface. One memorable moment was when I used the HOT 60i to capture a sunset. The camera really impressed me with its ability to capture the vibrant colors of the scene. Moments like these make me appreciate the value this phone offers. The Infinix HOT 60i is definitely a strong contender in the budget smartphone market. It offers a great balance of performance, camera capabilities, and battery life, making it a must-buy for those on a tight budget. I'd give it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. The type of user who would benefit most from this smartphone is someone who wants a reliable device for everyday tasks without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a casual user, or someone who just needs a phone for basic tasks, the HOT 60i is a great choice. If you're interested in checking out more reviews like this, be sure to check out my other video on the best budget smartphones of the year. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the HOT 60i, so be sure to share your experiences in the comments below.